it's been about maybe a year and a half since I've gotten my brows touched up, and there's like considerable fading. I like to tan, and I like my anti-wrinkle creams. Okay, this is the shape. I think Elisa did an amazing job, as she always does. It's a little bit thick, but obviously it's because we use the thick black wax pencil. But it's not going to look like that afterwards.
It's not going to be black.
Okay, so I'm numbing now. That's what this saran wrap is. We are occluding the area, and it's got benzocaine, lidocaine, and tetracaine. Very sexy.
Okay, so here's the 2 sterile needles.
Sterile needles.
1.
Thank you for showing me. Wow, this facility must be so clean.
This is a stubborn one. Now you know it is sealed.
Okay, are these the Tina Davies 19 and 9?
Yes.
What? Yes! Sweet! Holy moly. Wow, they're so perfect. They're so perfect.